On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good evening, Otter Gang. 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 Gang? What's going on, everybody? Good evening. What's up? I'm short. Maybe. It looks like it's rolling over. Roll on over. Crazy price action, guys. Stop loss to entry. Solana, of course. As soon as we come on, man. There's always a trade as soon as we, top of the hour, man. I went 100,000 on this. I just took off 3/4, up $100 already. Bitcoin's rolling over. Why doesn't Solana roll over? There it is. Come on. Guys, I'm just printing money today. I just come on. I tell the price where to go. And we just win. It's been fucking great today. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day, man. How we all doing? We all short like motherfuckers here or what? Look at this. We are printing today already. I haven't even tried. I'm not even trying right now. I just hit short. I'll take give me 250 to start the stream, baby. Can I get some GGs in the chat? I haven't even what? 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 Damn, man. I'm up 16. Is it called a rack? $1,000. I'm up 16 racks today, guys. I think that's crazy, no? Is it a rack? I'm a $16,000 day. What the fuck? We back, baby. We back. We tell price where to go. The gang here. Anyways. What's going on? Bitcoin, look, Bitcoin's rolling over, man. We're in a down ass trend. Bitcoin's dying. We got a V-shank spank recovery. We got the jankiest Asian volume coming in. Look at this thing. Look at this. This is absolutely filthy. Solana's up here. So if Bitcoin, let's do the simple math, guys. If Bitcoin's down here and Solana is up here, where does Solana have to go? Look at the V-shaped recovery. It's down here, right? Where's Solana? It's not down here. I'm just saying. Don't shoot the messenger. I'm not saying it's perfect. I'm just saying, you know. The TA has not been so complicated today. My God. I'm going to get... This is probably coming back to stop me out. But, I mean, we started the stream. We said short. We went short. Market rolled over. Happy days. 2 hundos start the damn stream. How's everybody doing tonight? Hopefully you're all doing well. That back test stopped me out. Aw. That's going to stop me out too, man. I think you got to pay yourself quick in this environment, right? Leave a runner. I mean, I longed Solana here. And I left a runner and I made like 5-6K here. So, I mean, you leave the runner, the volatility, let the volatility do its job. If not, whatever. You're not going to Pokemon everything, man. You're not always going to catch, you know, this. You're not going to catch this thing. And you're not going to catch always, you know, even here, right? We took a couple shorts in here. We even took a short on the live stream with everybody. I think it was here or here. I can't remember. But you take the trade. You pay yourself real fast because we got volatility. And you leave the runner. If it wants to run, cool. If not, whatever. You ain't gotta, you know, you don't gotta argue with the price action. You just gotta let it. What is the theme today and yesterday? Okay, you got the guy. This guy is chilling like a villain, all right? This guy is chilling. He's got a doobie in one hand. He's just chilling like a villain, man, on his beautiful, beautiful lazy river inner tube, right? And he just be chilling. And he's sitting on the inner tube. And he just letting the baby roll down. Oh, baby, 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 baby. All right? You ain't got to be complicated. That's the TA right now. What's going on? Might be going to bed. All right, Mac. God bless you, bro. Have a good evening. Seek, good to see you. Why is it so volatile tonight? Because it's been volatile nonstop. Look at the dump we got on SPY. I bought Tesla down here. I'm pretty happy about that. NASDAQ, big dump. Look at the VIX. The VIX here, it's peaking at 21 today. Holy shite. Very volatile market. Okay. Very volatile market. Which is good and bad. Depends if you know how to adjust to it, right? If you know how to adjust to it, you can make lots of money. If you don't, you will get wrecked. You got to lower your position size. You got to take trades that are high probability. And you got to go stop loss entry pretty fast, man. That's how I would do it. But hey ho, what do I know? We're just here hanging out, clicking buttons. Never financial advice. Just a hobbit here, kicking names, taking ass, talking smack. What's going on? Good evening, everybody. Seymour, good to see you, bro. How you been? Jeanette, good to see you. God bless. Crypto Poker. I'm just a carpenter, man. Like I swing a hammer. I press 2 buttons. I don't even have a light on right now. There, I got some ambiance, guys. Got the ambiance there. Look more professional here. Crypto After Dark. Asian gang, gang, gang. Otter gang. Wah. Oh, you wax on, we wax off. We make money all day long. All day long or all day long? Whatever you're into, we're still in this trade. Okay. People are gonna come and say AlexOCrypto, he's a racist. We've shown you guys the class photo of how I was the minority in my classroom, okay? It was like 75. I grew, my school was in small Chinatown in Toronto growing up, so le homa, le ho ho, pokai. Okay, I know a lot of bad words in Asian. I think it's Cantonese. I just call it Asian, okay? I was one of the only people who could skate in hockey. That's how it goes, man. I'm more multicultural than. Anyways, I don't have to justify it. I mean, I love a good stereotype. You guys tell me. I mean, I think, the worst, if there's a worst race, it's the white trash, right? Like, you had a 200-year head start and you're still this bad. Like, you gotta figure something out, man. If you white trash, you gotta figure something out. You started the race a lot sooner, right? Like, you done fucked up if you white trash. Poke guy from Pacific Mall, yeah. We come to learn how to trade. We stay for the racism. That's the one, man. I'm gonna take 300 off the table here if we come down. 74, yeah, a little. I got 224 there. I gotta go 80 something. 80 something. Bitcoin's about to fall off a cliff, guys. Look at Bitcoin. Do. Oh yeah, Bitcoin. Come on. Asia, have some fun, baby. Asia's having some fun, man. Here comes the big SFP. Then we're going to flip long, okay? We're going to flip long after we get the big SFP, everybody. Here comes the big SFP on Bitcoin, just waiting. It's gonna liquidate all the stupid longs, and then we're going to bounce, and then we're going to get long, okay, everybody? How's everybody doing tonight? Good to see you. Make sure you say good evening, guys. White is a shade. You've never been to the south, no. No, I haven't. I'm the Great White North. I'm the Great White North, yeah. Put a 2 in the chat if you got short. I mean, we said it right when we got on the stream. We said get short. Clear is my favorite color, except when you do baseboards. Don't do clear cock on baseboards. Okay. This has got to be the most homo. I shouldn't say homo. This is the most homo price action I've seen. Can I get a GG's to start the stream off with the perfect short? 0 drawdown. Look at that shit, man. Yeah, it always gets the cock dirty. And then I thought you were going to bed, Mac. You don't want to, you're not here to just, take easy trades with AlexOCrypto. Homogenized milk. Yeah, we used to call kids 3 point, what's homo milk? Is it 3.25? We used to call people 3.25 in public school. We'd be like, you're so 3.25 or whatever. Little kid jokes, man. Look at that. Another one today, guys. I can't seem to stop winning today, and I'm not gonna complain. I'm not gonna complain. How's everybody? Everybody's up today? Yeah, that's how I like to see it. Up, up, up. Here's the SFP. No trade yet. Trying to bounce. Not yet. We're out of this trade. It's not yet. It's not ready yet, guys. It's not ready yet. A little bit more. It's not ready. It's just faking people out. There it is. Beautiful. All right. Guys, I told you exactly what was going to happen, okay? I told you exactly what was going to happen. Up $450 now. I told you exactly what was going to happen before it happened. When I got onto the live stream, it becomes to a point where you think you're a fucking wizard, Harry, okay, guys? You know what it's trying to do, right? You just know, right? You just know what its intentions are. Therefore, you can be predictive, right? And then you say, hey, man, I can show you how to do this too. And then you join our Discord and I show you everything I know, right? You can even use the code PINKBOX. Now, how is that for the first 20 minutes? We have made, what, 450, 300? So I've made your wage for the week already. In 20 minutes, man. I told you it was going to SFP. I told you it was going to do it and we're going to get long. That's exactly what I said. I meant what I said. And here we are. Fucking hell. Push Bitcoin. Don't be a bitch. AlexOCrypto after dark. Damn, that was sexy. That was sexy. You know when you call the shot before you take it? That was that. Need some strength here. We might not push up here. I don't care though. We're paid. Oh yeah, Bitcoin's ripping. Bitcoin's pushing. We got buyers coming in here. Bitcoin's pushing up. Solana's got view up in the face, so but we got bids. Look at the bids coming in. Yep. Shorts died here. Now we come for the liquidity of the highs. These guys up here who think they're smart. We'll see if we can get there. Risk-free trade. Higher lows, lower lows, absorption. I like that. Nice absorption on CVD here. A little bit of exhaustion here, failing to push. Push, you namby-pamby. Bitcoin's got to go. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 2 trades already. 2 trades. How do you know it's absorption? Because you got higher highs and lower lows, right? So you have buyers stepping up. Okay, so you have buyers. Let's look at it. So you got buyers. So you've made lower lows all the way down here on CVD, and then you have a higher low here, right? So this is telling me that these guys who are dumping the price have been absorbed before they could come for the low. This is making lows, right? Solana here, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, right? CVD, lower low, lower low, lower low, right? So this is making lower lows as this is making higher lows, right? So it's being absorbed, meaning price action is failing to push down when sellers are stepping up, because CVD is as simple as it can be. It's buyers and sellers, right? Who's in control, right? So who's in control here? You can see seller, 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 seller. Then why is price action going higher, right? Why is price action pushing up? That's the question you got to ask yourself. If we have a higher low here and lower lows here, right? What's happening? The same in here. So you have price pushing higher highs, but you have lower highs here. And wicks at the top. This has been absorbed up at the highs here, failing to push price higher. So this is the opposite, right? So you're pushing price up, but you're not continuing to push. You can see lower highs here and higher highs here. Okay. This got absorbed. This got absorbed and this got absorbed, right? So it's telling you that buyers are not strong enough to push price any higher here. Sellers are not strong enough to push price lower here. Okay? Hopefully that helps. Come on, you namby-pamby. Push, you wanker. It's really failing to push here. I don't like it too much. Lower highs, downtrending momentum. I gotta give it a chance. Put a 1 in the chat if I should close it. Put a 2 in the chat if I should hold it. 1 close, 2 hold. 1 close, 2 hold. 1 close, 2 hold. 1 close, 2 hold, 2 hold. 1 close, 2 hold. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. I mean, I've taken profits. I'm not too married to I like Bitunix way better. The UI on Bitunix is great. We have an exclusive AlexOCrypto deal too if you want. 6 months VIP 3 AlexOCrypto exclusive. I kind of had to beg them for it. It's kind of gay. But I'll do anything for my community. I think the hold's a better play here. As long as this candle closes, yeah, it didn't close below that wick. See, it didn't close below this wick. Happy days. This can still push. If it closed below that wick, I would have been more concerned, but it didn't. Buyers stepped up the last second to push this candle higher, which is actually pretty cool. If you know how to read it, right? If you know how to read it, you can make money off of it. It's crazy, all these Japanesey candles and shit. And here we are, clicking stupid buttons. Bitcoin's got to push here, man. 1 minute Bitcoin. Get going, Bitcoin. What do we got for Bitcoin? Here we go. Yeah. Let's get going, man. Keep pushing. Bitcoin buyers stepping up. Not really. Not a hell of a lot. Coming into VWAP here. I'm gonna de-risk a little bit more even on Solana here, coming into this candle right there. I'll take that off there if it pushes. Come on. Don't be a dick for a tick. Take some money off. Okay. Filled. 731 realized. Up $1,031 for the live stream tonight. Good job, everybody. GG's. GG's. Happy days. Nice hold. Good hold on this candle. Good patience. See if we want to continue up. I'll be fully out before these highs here. Are you in the Discord, Bald? What's going on, RS Miller? Good to see you in the chat, bro. How you been, man? How's the pooch? No, sir, you're not in the Discord? Well, depends on what you want to do. Like, what you must define before, and I mean, we teach this, and it's fine that you're not in the Discord. I mean, it's not imperative. Like, I mean, I didn't join a Discord to learn how to trade, but I'm a bit obsessive. What you want to do is you want to understand a couple of things. You got to understand price action. You got to understand market structure. You have to understand volume, and you have to understand liquidity. Okay. Volume and price action are going to make up your market structure, which is going to hunt liquidity. Until you know how to read price action, you're going to be useless using any sort of indicator, line on your chart, box on your chart. You must understand the way this market moves. The best way to do that is to go on your shortest term time frame and watch how price action materializes and mark out highs, lows, structure as you go, right? There's free indicators that do it for you. You can use like a Lux Algo, market structure, right? But you must understand, a break of structure, a lower high, a lower high, a lower high, an SFP, change of character, break of structure, change of character. You must understand the way the market moves. Once you've done that, I would suggest S tier in my opinion, this is just my opinion, is order blocks, VWAP, and an oscillators are fucking average at best. Okay. Orb, order blocks, VWAP, open range breakout. But none of this helps until you know price action, volume, market structure, and liquidity. It doesn't mean jack shit if you don't know how to read that. So you got to learn how to read that. You got to go and learn how to read the hieroglyphics, right? If you don't learn how to read the hieroglyphics, you're shooting blanks, man. Order block tap. Two great trades, guys. Called the second trade. What's going on, Alexander G? Good to see you. No problem, man. I mean, take your time. Profitability takes time and consistency and discipline. It's a lot of that shit. It's not easy. Trading's not easy. It's the only job where you can go to work and they take money from you. So be aware of that. You go to work and at Walmart, they ain't taking your paycheck, right? They're not making you pay to go to work. A lot of people pay to go to work for their first couple years trading. Any CB? What's CB users? CB what? Coinbase? Coinbase down? That's typical fucking Coinbase, sorry. Yeah, but you can learn a lot just by watching a lot of videos. I would suggest maybe watching Jason Casper. Jason Casper has a full like new person trading course that's free. Here, go over to Jason Casper. He's a good human, man. Playlists. Here it is, 19 videos.
Want to become a consistent, profitable trader?
There you go. Here's the link. Okay. Go over and watch this. Invest in your future. Get Trading View. Yeah. Retest to previous highs. Continuation up. Possibly could add here. AlexOCrypto, why are you adding to your trade? You're already in profits with a good entry. Because it's a retest to previous highs. That's a continuation trade, right? You could go full bore right here if you wanted to. Look at that. I would have already been take profit one. Right? I mean, I'm trying to get $1,000 out of this trade, if I'm being honest. I want to get up. And that 400 was a little bit too sticky. Do I do it again? What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin's flat, man. Bitcoin, bearish CVD. Push a little bit. Here we go. That was a good ad. That was a great place to add. Look at that. Look at that. Fucking great ad, AlexOCrypto. Fucking great ad. Good job, buddy. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Great trade. Great fucking trade. Oh, that felt fucking great. Sweet wine, baby. Can I get a mother GG's in the chat? What's going on, Face, my man? Good to see you, bro. We just we battling back. We're up 17,000 today, bro. We're up 17,000 today. I've been fucking this price action up, man. It's been a good day, man. It's good to be back, being disciplined, being the turtle. I mean, I started this week. I disciplined myself, bro. I was like, I'm gonna give myself lashes, and I was down to I put myself in a 10K account. I mean, the account's at 32,500 right now since Monday. So we've been back on just high probability, good risk management. You know how it goes. You can get back on that train properly. I know I bitched to you a little bit about my losses the past couple weeks coming back from the family shit, and here we are, man. How you been doing, man? How's everything? I see you bounce back good from that gold loss. That's balls, man. I respect that so much. Hopefully everything's going all right for you too, man. This volatility is fucking crazy. When you're seeing it, though, you know when you're seeing it, man. I mean, we started the stream, we said short. We took the short here, made 400 on 300 on the way down. Then we said it's going to SFP on Bitcoin. Then we're going to long the bitch at SFP. Then we long the bitch. So I mean, happy days. Happy days. Just playing the ranges, man. You must be ready for a gig along soon, bro. You've got to be. Look at the money flow coming in on the 12, 24. These anchored trigger waves aren't going to last forever. That's what I got to say. Yeah. I like the 12 hour. The 12 hour. If the money flow can start heading up on the 12 hour, we might be okay. My favorite thing is the 12 hour stochastics. It changes color. When the 12-hour stochastics changes color, it's the way to front run the move, okay, everybody? If you go and you back test, when it changes color, look at when it changes red, when it changes to green, when it changes to red, when it changes to green. This front run is so... I shouldn't give away all the sauce, bro, but if you know... You know, look at the fucking front run it gives you guys. Tell me you weren't ready to fucking short here. Tell me you weren't ready to short here. Now it's, right? Tell me you weren't ready to long here. Look, it flipped green here. This was the long. This was the short. This was the short. This was preparing you for this short right here. Okay? It's early. It's always early in it. I mean, I shouldn't tell them all the secrets, but it can prepare you for the bigger move if you know what to look for. When you've traded Market Cipher for 4 years, you notice shit like this. It's crazy. Busy as fuck. Yeah, man. Well, I'm glad you're doing well, man. Slow and steady. Be the turtle. That Be the turtle is famous in our Discord now, thanks to you. That's when I took a really bad loss and you told me to be the turtle. I'm sorry that you're my sounding board when I take a fucking bad loss. Solana's ready to break out of these highs, guys. This would be good because we obviously have clear liquidity up here. I'm out of the trade right now. 2 trades. All good. Trading Asia Otta Gang. Yeah, it's Asia, baby. You took trades tonight. Good job, Levi. Good job. Good job. Why do you take partial profit? Seems elementary, but you're hitting. What do you do to take partial profits? Yeah. So when you enter, I mean, you limit out a certain percentage. You take out a quarter or 50% out of that initial, right? I'm typically taking, like on my scalps, I'm typically taking 50 pretty soon, and then I let the rest run. Right? Depends on the setup, right? Like it depends on market conditions too, but I mean, if I'm looking for a swing and I'm not taking more than 25 early, right? Like if this was my setup, it would be, I'd be willing to wait through even drawdown in here, right? Before we get going kind of deal. So it's definitely based on the setup too. When I'm scalping though, I mean, I'm paying myself a decent, like I'm taking 300 off the table, initial stop loss to entry, let it run. Just like we just did, right? Like, and I'll add to a trade too. Like if we are making easy higher highs, higher lows, like we just did, right? Like we just took this trade here. We got long off the SFP that we called, right? We took this up. We took partials here. It continued. We added to the trade on the retest of the highs. Boom. It hit our target. Front run this. Full exit, right? So yeah, it's always depending on the setup on your plan, what you're looking to do. At the end of the day, you want to pay yourself and mitigate risk. That's key, right? That's always going to be your number one job, is how to keep your money. Anytime I get greedy, I get paid. I get punished for it. So. Are you in the Discord, Rick? You can mark it out. Like, I'm not in a trade right now. You can mark it. You are. So if you're in the Discord, then you should be able to see it on I did a whole video on Bitunix right here. So if you go over to your must videos, it's literally the first one right here. Using Bitunix exchange. I'll copy the link. I'll put it in the family chat for you. And I'll go through take profits, partials, everything like that. I think I'm in the way for the partial part. So if we're looking at like a partial, right? I'll put a $8,000 trade. Let's go short here. So if I'm taking a partial, I will copy here. Okay. I will copy here, copy. I will paste it down here really quickly. I'll take 50%, close. That'll be on the books now. I can slide this into position. Okay, you see how fast that is? So copy anything down here, copy price, paste, 50%, close. Done, right? Now I have that there, 100%, close on the books. Now that's 100%, right? If I want to take a market order, mark it out, market, change that to market quantity, take 50% off the table right now. Bang. There you go, right? $10 loss, right? But that's more expensive. Obviously, it's maker versus taker fees, right? Let's say my next take profit's down here, copy price, paste it in here, 25%, close right there. I can slide this into position here, right? Same deal. Okay. I get the same price down here. Let's say I want to take 50%. I'll change that to 50%. So this is going to take 25%. This is going to take 50%. And then this one's going to take 100%. Okay. And you can set it up that way. Make sense? Does that make sense to you? Am I still in the way? Oh, I am in the way. Sorry. Yeah, so you go in here, paste it, 50%, close. Slide that into position. Right here, copy. Double click, paste it, 75% close, 100% close, right? Give me my money back, market maker. See, up at the highs. You don't ever long the top, guys. You know, top blasting, guys. You guys know the song. Do you need me to play the song? I can play the song for you guys. I made my money back. Okay. Makes sense. And for all of you who are in the negative because you felt the FOMO and you top blasted, this is dedicated to you.
Yeah. Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto fit the party like a disco. Van bass up my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't wanna stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just mark it on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers in before the big drop. Top blasting, buying high and selling low. Direct by wick, put on a gong show. Top blasting.
myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should've clicked sell. Top left in the high straight to trade in hell. Now I'm sitting in my wanking chair, yeah, feeling
No
kinda
trade.
sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, the candle was quick. Market makers on my order, that dirty rascal. Hunting my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure waiting for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an on the plan, babe. Don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a lily, the big B whap slap. Instead I got trapped up in a bull trap, making crypto honest to 10. That's the plan. But top loss and trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes,
Welcome to
join the
Asia.
Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. AlexOCrypto, talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 bye.
All right. Top blasting, baby. Top blasting. Bitcoin's dying, man. Big rejection on Biddy. Big rejection. Bye-bye. See you later. Wild. Good times. Well, today's been a day, man. I'm not heading out yet, but I mean, wild. Wild, wild, wild. Bitcoin down. I made $1 on that trade. I should have hammered that trade that I was doing a demonstration on. I should have just fucking full ported that thing. Oh, too funny, man. Too funny. Should have full ported it. Did anybody short that up here? Did anybody? Or are you guys all bullish up here? Put a 2 in the chat if you shorted it. Almost 20k subs now. Last time I watched you with 5k. Oh, nice to see you, Zen Moss. Thank you for watching me since 5k. God bless you, man. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Just sub, by the way. Nice stuff, dude. Thanks for being here, man. Yeah. I mean, trading full time for like 2.5 years now. Teaching and streaming for 4. Paying the bills. That's it. Ups and downs, man. I've had $40,000 month losses. I've had $150,000 a month wins. It's part of the game. But trying to learn, yeah. Take your time. Risk management. That's it, man. Time, risk management, time in the markets. There is a certain amount of time you need to spend watching this shit in order to figure it out. Even then, that's why we use good risk management, because even then, sometimes you feel like you're looking at it cross-eyed, right? Right now we got higher lows all the way through here. This is decent for a potential buy up here. We'll see what Bitcoin does. Nasty trigger wave. 12-minute trying to push back still. Coming back for that SFP long. That's what this is. Anybody who took the SFP, they thought they were in the clear. This is coming back for that liquidity. I mean, this is bottoming structure. It's just gotta do something. Is that VWAP too? No, not fully. I don't use VWAP in Asia, really. It hasn't baked long enough. This is the guy they're looking for. If they're going to send it, they're going to come for this guy right here. I don't think many people got in here, but here they definitely did. If they're going to send it short, they're going to send it for them. I don't know. I don't want to push my luck, you know. I don't want to push my luck. I've been calling for 70,700 in the Discord for 3 days, so we're not going to bottom blast here, guys. It's just too risky in my opinion. Not to say it won't go, but I'm just saying, you know, I just asked Crypto Crank to come on the channel next Asia. He's been trading really well lately, so you know you gotta pay respects to people who are doing well. See what they want to talk about. Give them some exposure, cause it was given to me. You know, it was given to me. It was given to me. What's my schedule for live streaming? I'm Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10:15 every single morning, trading Asia. We made $3,000 on Asia, I think, this morning. Pretty wild. And then I do Tuesdays and Wednesday evenings Asia session. AlexOCrypto after dark, talking lots of shit and having a good time. Then we do most of our like live trading and live lessons in the Discord, and that's that, man. I'm not really your I do a fairly good job of macro analysis. I used to do your top-down altcoin fucking TA shit all the time. Then I was just like, you know what? I'm here to trade. I'm not here to tell you where I think price is gonna go in the next 40 fucking days. Let's make some money today. And that's kind of where we went with the channel, and we just come on here and show you what I do. We're trying to make crypto honest again. We show the trades, we show the losses, we show the entries, we talk about what we're looking for. We enter the trades, we say, you know, it's not financial advice. This is where I enter, this is what I'm looking for. These are my key areas, and from there, it's up to you to do whatever you want. But yeah, man, trading's lonely. It's not an easy fucking profession. You're here on your bloody wanking chariot trying to click a couple buttons successfully over time. And it's fucking frustrating most of the time, to be honest. So it's nice to have a good laugh. I mean, I'm 15 years as a carpenter before this, man, swinging a hammer. I ain't special. I just want you guys to win too. I like seeing other people win. When I get those messages of like, hey man, you've changed my life. We've learned how to trade. I'm quitting my job. Blah 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 blah. I get those messages weekly. That's why we do it, man. I don't like being a fucking YouTuber, influencer. It's gay. Very gay. But I'm glad here to share the knowledge because it was done for me. This says lower. This says lower. Taking its time though. Little trigger wave trying to push back here. Still waiting. Yeah, just broke the low on Bitcoin. Yeah, that's why it said lower. Definitely says lower. There we go. Good job on that Solana long if you took, or Solana short, I mean, if you took it. Good job. Took a while to roll over, but it was a good trade. GG's on your shorts, everybody, if you did take it. Yeah, there goes Bitcoin. Ciao. Ciao, Bitcoin. Arrivederci. Sayonara. Buonasera. We start speaking Italian when it starts dumping. Yeah, look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's dying. Whew. Nasty. Nasty. See ya tomorrow. You guys are all short. You guys are all in shorts, right? Little wick test in here. Continuation down. There's the bounce. Into the order block here. Little bounce, order block, continuation down. Little bounce, continuation down. Ah, nice buy. 3 drives defending the low. Nice. Nice. The low is being defended. Buyers stepping up here. Yep. Good buyers stepping up in this spot here. CVD increasing. Looking strong. Yep. Lots of shorts coming in on that push up. Look at the increase in net shorts. Boom, 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 boom. Not so much here for Solana. Good buyer stepping up here. Big rejection on Bitcoin here. Big rejection. Big rejection on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, big rejection. Lower. No trade here, still waiting. Just a rejection here. I like that, but stalling out here. Probably going to push back. Bitcoin rolling over still. Still no trade, guys. $25 Solana. That would be funny. I would buy a lot of Solana. Still waiting here, guys. This choppiness typically gets to like a pushback pretty aggressively here. Depends if Bitcoin rolls over or not. There goes Bitcoin. There goes Solana. Solana coming for that low, like I said. Coming for that low. There's the low. Coming to take it. Bounce back. Here's that bounce back. Trying to push. Trying to push. Did it take the low? Didn't, eh? Interesting. probably going to come back for it. Unless Bitcoin pushes here. If Bitcoin pushes here, then up we go. 3 minute, trying to push back. Nice candle here. Can't believe Solana didn't take that low. Probably took it on a different exchange. That would be my guess. Nice pushback here. Up we go. Up we go. Choppy range, man. Nice little moves here though. Buyers stepping up, looking for a continuation here. No trade, still waiting. I would have liked to take that low. That's my concern right now. It's been a good stream tonight, guys. That's enough out of me, guys. God bless you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here and supporting the channel. We'll be live tomorrow, hanging out, kicking ass, taking names, whatever you're into. Thank you for supporting the channel, guys. I do appreciate it. You should be long now. I took it. I'm not going to lie. I took the long. Up another $500. Do it. I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you. Taking the trades, showing the trades every single time. Here we go. I took the Solana long just now, up $500. We'll see if it does want to continue to push. Crazy, crazy trading, guys. Range bound choppiness. Range bound choppiness. You guys tell me. I mean, some trades I don't give it to you guys because I don't feel like it's fully safe for the community. And that's my responsibility, is to protect the new trader. Have a wonderful evening, guys. God bless you. Go over to my friend Leonard Beaches. I'm going to send you over there now. Go over to him and throw some otters in his chat, please. God bless you guys. I'll see you guys in the morning. 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital.